Back to our factory tour after busy updating our official website, and here today we are visiting a letter from Case factory. It is introduced that their daily production volume is 15,000 pieces. So we are going to see how all that happened. Let's go. A lot of choices for you for different kinds of models. The beginning of the adventure today starts here, the raw material cutting area. This is when the raw leather material will be cut into specific shapes of foam models. So at my back you can find there are hundreds of cutting molds here, from Apple, Samsung to other models. That to say, they can fulfill any foam model you want. This is a piece of top layer genie leather, so this solver machine will help to solve away this top rough to make it uniquely thin and flat. Next, come to the assembly here. This is to press the paper board and the leather pieces together, creating the initial shape of leather casing. And this section houses a total of 12 pressing machines with a daily processing capacity of around 10,000 pieces. You hear that solid sound? It's the trimming machine to cut this whole piece into a precise one. Here's some leather pieces just cutting from that trimming machine. So to reduce them, you can use some decoration at home. So this step is called stitching, just like sewing your clothes to stitch the case more precisely and stable. This part is my favorite, the oil border area. They will carefully select the corresponding oil color and manually apply on the border of the case where needed. Then the cases are suspended for about 40 minutes to air dry. So this one is been applied with oil and this one is not. So they do this for two reasons. Firstly, it makes the casing look more attractive, giving it a better visual appearance. Secondly, in some extremely cold or hot areas, like when the temperature drops to minus 13 degrees, the oil border serves as a protective layer, keeping the case isolated and safeguarded against any potential damage. This is a common part of factories, the QC area. So this region is to make product samples for customers before they placing a bulk order. This is a laser cutting machine. It will design the panel according to the designer. So that's it. That is how a case is born and manufactured. Huge thanks to our manufacturer, our partner, for giving this opportunity for us to tour their facility. We aim to thrive with every partner of TVC Mall. When they thrive, we thrive. And if you have any comment, just jot them below. We will answer one by one. So see you around.